Email marketing. The email marketing tutorial for beginners talks about 4 types of email marketing campaigns, which are based on the goals you have thought for your campaign. Email marketing is the act of sending a commercial message, typically to a group of people, using email. Email marketing is actually the rock-solid way of promoting a business by sending emails and newsletters. Marketing offer encourages people to make a purchase, and in case your email campaign offers any discount or involved in the promotion of your products, then you should opt for this one. Build your email list by using artificial intelligence email extractor to target your audience from specific sites, or you can import a list of known contacts into your chosen email marketing tool. Download free email marketing A to Z and email extractor cracked software in the links below in the description. Good luck! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting info on software you need.